there. I just wanted to share a little tip that I discovered that will help you transcribe some of these records when you're, for instance, looking at a census page, and let's say I want to capture the information on Clad T. Britt and Alice Britt, and maybe where they're born, where their parents are born, and maybe even their occupation. While I'm looking at this image, it'd be nice if I could highlight that information so that my eyes can travel across that row and not get it mixed up with the row above it or below it. And on Ancestry, when you're looking at a census image, they have a little highlighter, but this one's on Family Search and you don't really have that. So I found this little Google Chrome extension called Page Ruler Redux, and it's designed for web developers, so you can measure dimensions on a screen or on an image, but I'm going to use it as a highlighter. So to activate that, I can either click on this little guy or hit Alt P, and you'll notice up here in the top you have width, height, left, top. You can customize the color for the highlighting, but once that's enabled, then you can just kind of drag a little box here and you can highlight. See, I might want to make that a little darker, huh? So let's try that again. That's a little bit better. You can change the color, whatever, but now that that's highlighted, I can type in the information in my genealogy program or whatever I'm using, and then just hit Alt P for it to go away, or just hit this X and it'll go away. This little down arrow just makes it go to the bottom of the screen, and then you can, well, I can't move my picture now. There, it's gone. Anyway, I hope that helps. I'll put links to this little Google Chrome extension in the down below.